Hello everyone, welcome to Voices of Virtuos, where we bring to you stories, insights, and expertise of the brilliant minds shaping the field of advertising and technology. Today we have with us Mr. Satyaprakash Mishra, our Senior Technical Director of Software Development at Virtuos. He's here to share his experience and a lot of insights with all of us. So if you're somebody who's into tech or mildly interested in the space, this episode is going to be perfect for you. So grab your headphones and we'll get right into it. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Perfect. So, just to begin with, if you can share a little bit about your career into the advertising space and what led you to joining Virtuos.
So, I started my career as a full stack developer in year 2010, and now it's 14 plus year. So, there is lots of journey, and we made multiple products. So one of the product name is Connect Reseller. And after that we started making a DSP. I mean that is an ad tech product where we onboarding advertisers. Again, the same year we started making exchange that is named as IncrementX. Okay. And after IncrementX we started making a DMP, that is a data management platform. So there is a loss of product and have a different behavior.
Right.
But what was doing a main thing in ad tech as well the mad tech.
Yes.
Okay, so in journey in the 14-year journey we made multiple products and they are doing very good in the market.
Yes.
And you can see about the generative AI things are going on, and you can think about Gemini and ChatGPT API.
Right.
All our flavor we added in our product.
Yes.
Okay, and that is helping to customers.
Perfect. Talking about roles and responsibility, if you could just share what your day-to-day role at Virtuos looks like regarding the team.
So, as a technical person, we have a multiple team. Okay, that is the product team, engineering team there, and it's even QA team, quality team.
Right.
And few people are doing research, few people are doing a UX part, few people are doing a kind of algorithm.
Correct.
Someone doing a data science and generative AI. So they start with a Scrum meeting.
Yeah.
So we follow Agile. So Agile means we have to deliver the output in certain time.
Correct.
So that is known as a sprint in the software technology.
Right.
So everyone are responsible. Everyone have their own goal. So we just take update.
Right.
And if any big problem statement or complex query, so we have to solve with the help of the team members.
Perfect. I think the next question will be on the same scale. So, अगर आपका leadership philosophy क्या है? कि आप how do you ensure कि everybody in the team gives their 100%?
My leadership philosophy, centered around the important team members.
Right.
Right. And the collaboration. And we need positive minds. So मैं कोशिश यही करता हूँ कि मेरा जो हमारी टीम है वो पॉजिटिव इन्वायरमेंट्स में रहे, क्रिएटिविटी पार्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करे, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग में जाए, एंड ओपन डिसीजन विद द टीम मेंबर्स. सो अवॉइड द कंफ्यूजन एंड आपके साथ में इतनी बड़ी टीम चल रही है सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, तो लॉट्स ऑफ एनर्जी. एंड यंग गाइस में बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी है, एंड वी कैन यूटिलाइज.
यस.
सो वी कैन यूटिलाइज द करेक्ट डायरेक्शन. सो जस्ट do meetings and avoid the confusions.
Perfect.
And the clear requirement of the clients.
Perfect. So a little controversial question there, but do you think AI will be able to replace software engineers in the near future?
AI won't replace the software engineers, but AI can help the software engineer.
Yeah.
Okay, so AI can write a code. AI can understand the business. AI can do the lots of testing, and lots of AI, automation testing can be done by AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini or Microsoft Copilot. But if you think about the problem statement, if the big and complex, AI cannot help. That human required, that software engineer and the architect required.
Right.
If you're design a software, that software is multi-data center supported, AI can't help.
Right.
So for that you required engineers and DevOps engineer, quality engineer.
Correct.
That time is required.
Yeah, totally. I think they both go hand in hand, as you mentioned.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, perfect. So moving on, Virtuos बहुत ज़्यादा collaboration पे काफ़ी focus करता है कि team building, collaboration. So do you think that it has any impact on the project outcomes?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
वो बहुत matter करता है, and हमको हर एक टीम मेंबर को वैल्यू देना चाहिए एंड उनके आउटकम जो उनके रिजल्ट हैं उन पे हमको देखना चाहिए और उनको अप्रिशिएट भी करना चाहिए जो टीम मेंबर्स को. सो वी डू लॉट्स ऑफ collaboration in team. We add new ideas. We do lots of research and finding in the market what competitor doing. So ये चीज के लिए हमने टीम को एक अलग लेवल के ही सजेशन, टीम बिल्डिंग या मीटिंग्स बोलो या जैसे उनको ट्रेनिंग बोलो, हमने दे के रखा हुआ है. Yes, and if things are doing good, we have to appreciate each team members.
Yes.
So अगर ऐसा कुछ हम करते हैं, so that collaboration going to very easy with anyone.
Brilliant. So because बहुत सारे solutions develop होते हैं Virtuos में, especially software developments. So how do you think or how do you manage कि जितने भी developments हो रहे हैं वो सब market needs के हिसाब से perfectly aligned है?
ये जो क्वेश्चन आपका है ना थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे हमें मार्केट को अलाइन करना है, मार्केट को देखना है. सो वी नीड टू थिंक पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव बोथ साइड. सो Virtuos doing lots of things. And Virtuos have MedTech and cloud tech technology. So in EdTech platform, huge amount of data coming.
Correct.
Right. So in a day, we are listening more than 60 billion traffic. Okay, and for that we required good infrastructure, security, performance, and even we have to do a good integration with the partners. Okay, so for that I will tell one technology and that is name is Bloom filter. So Bloom filter क्या करता है कि मेरे पास billions of data है. So मुझे वो data मिलीसेकंड में वो सर्च करके निकालने का है आउटपुट. So मुझे जानना है कि ये डेटा कहाँ पे है. And that can help with the help of the Bloom filter.
Okay.
So that is the technology we are using. The same thing we are using the data science and generative AIs to in our product. So इससे क्या होगा कि कस्टमर को एक क्वालिटी मिलती है.
Correct.
कस्टमर आपके साथ में कंटिन्यू करेगा. कस्टमर अपने प्लेटफॉर्म पे आके उसकी यूजर जर्नी बहुत अच्छी रहेगी. So that can help to Virtuos.
Absolutely perfect. And I'm sure जितने भी young developers and tech enthusiasts ये podcast को सुन रहे हैं, they will be very very excited and keen on getting an advice from somebody who's as experienced as you are. So if you can share a little bit with them.
Day to day technology change होती जा रही है.
Correct.
नई चीजें आते जा रहे हैं. कहीं पे डॉक्टर आ गया, कुबरनेट्स आ गए, क्लाउड टेक्नोलॉजी आ गया, सो काफी चीजें आ रही हैं. सो सर्वरलेस आ गए हैं, सर्वरलेस जहाँ पे डेवलपर को सिर्फ कोड करना है और बाकी सब कुछ मैनेज कर लेगा सर्वर. ओके, सो हमें कीप लर्निंग. डेवलपर को भी मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा, अगर प्रोडक्ट पर्सन्स हैं तो दे डू लॉट्स ऑफ रिसर्च इन द मार्केट एंड फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे. करेक्ट. एंड फॉर द आर्किटेक्ट मेरा सजेशन यही रहेगा सर कि आप न्यू आर्किटेक्ट फाइंड आउट करिए, बेस्ट सोल्यूशन दीजिए. एंड आपको डेवलपमेंट तो करना ही है, साथ में वो जो सॉफ्टवेयर हमको डिलीवर करना है दैट विल बी 24/7 अप. सो यू नीड टू प्लान अबाउट प्रोसेस एंड काइंड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी and keep learning.
Yes, very very well answered. Lastly, आप Virtuos को अगले 5-10 साल में कहाँ देखते हैं? What is your vision there?
We want to add more technology.
Okay.
That technology going to help to customers. And we will give the flavor of data science. Already we given a data science and generative AI in our product, but we will going to give the AI and data science.
Okay.
But that software, that data science and algorithm going to help to our customer. And मैं जरूर चाहूँगा Virtuos EdTech में और Cloud Tech में वो टॉप लिस्ट में रहे.
Of course, perfect. Thank you so much. It was lovely chatting with you, and to all the viewers, I hope you've enjoyed the episode as much as I have. And if you're interested in more such conversations, we'll be coming right back with another episode. Thank you.